Hi everyone. Today I am going to take a new chapter, Interjections. What are interjections? Interjections are words which express one's strong feeling or sudden emotion. These are included in a sentence, usually at the beginning of the sentence, to express a sentiment like surprise, disgust, joy, excitement, sorrow, enthusiasm, wonder, pain, sadness, response, etc. An interjection is not grammatically related to any other part of the sentence, so it is grammatically independent and can stand alone. For example, wow, seeing something very nice, very surprising, we can utter this simple word wow. Similarly, suppose I have to call somebody. I can say hey, addressing. In a similar way, it is an abrupt remark, especially as an aside or interruption. Or it is a diverse category encompassing a number of different parts of speech. It is more commonly used in informal language than informal language or formal writing or speech. We can use a noun, a verb, or an adverb as an interjection. Now, as an interjection, for example, foolishness, your dog is not smarter than mine. Verb as an interjection, clap, he deserves some applause for his performance. Next one is adverb as an interjection. No, you cannot go into that room. Now, types of interjections. There are 10 types of interjections. For example, interjection for greeting, interjection for joy, interjection for approval or praise, interjection for attention, interjection for surprise, interjection for sorrows or pain, interjection for grief, interjection for bidding farewell, interjection for doubt or hesitate. Last one is interjection of calling or address. Now let us go in detail. Interjection for greeting. It is used to express emotion of warmth towards the other person when they meet. Some common interjections of this kind are hello, hey, hi, etc. Next is interjection for joy. This interjection is used to express feelings of happiness or excitement or immediate emotion or immediate joy in the exclamatory sentence. Then we can use words like wow, hooray, hurrah, ha. Wow, it's a beautiful scene. Hooray, we have won the match. Hurrah, we got it at last. The next interjection is interjection for approval or praise. It is used to express one's feeling of approval and agreement on something that happened for any task. Some common interjections of this type are well done, bravo, okay, cheer up, brilliant, etc. Next is interjection for attention. Interjection for attention. This interjection is used in the sentences to draw the attention of somebody. For example, listen, I have never deceived you. Look, you are so aggressive. Behold, the new couple comes here, like that. So, the common interjection for attention are listen, look, behold, hush, lo, pay attention to, etc. Next interjection is interjection for surprise. Interjection for surprise is used to express a feeling or a strong emotion of being surprised. The words of this type of interjections are what? Well, hey, hey, oh, hua, ha, ah, wow, aha, etc. Next is interjection for sorrow or pain. When we express feelings of sadness in the sentence, we use interjection for sorrow or pain. The interjections of this type are alas, ah, oh, ouch, etc. For example, alas, he is dead. Ouch, I am hurt. Ah, I have lost my purse. Next is interjection for grief or pain. These interjections are normally similar to interjections for sorrow or pain. These are used to express a strong emotion of grief or pain on something unfortunate that happened. Interjection for grief or pain are alas, ouch, like that. Next is interjection for bidding farewell. Interjection for bidding farewell are used by the speaker to bid farewell. Some of these interjections of this type are bye, goodbye, see you, farewell, etc. The next interjection is interjection for doubt or hesitate. This type of interjection is used by speaker to express uncertainty or hesitation of what to say next. For example, I can't say anything about it. It's enough to drive you crazy. Oh, we shouldn't do that. Some of the interjections of this type are oh, etc. The last one is interjection for calling or address. Interjections to express calling or address. For example, hello, what are you thinking now? We use these interjections when we call someone for any reason. Some of interjections to express calling or address are hello, ho, hey, etc. These were different types of interjections. Thank you very much.